Welcome to Chapter 2. For Chapter 2 this week, we're going to be looking at quality children's literature. And quality children's literature is the backbone of everything that you're going to do in your early childhood classroom. I'm going to take you on a tour of this week's presentation, and you can see what your job will be as you work through the presentation. We're going to start with a story of the week, and this is new this week because last week I just kind of got your feet wet with presentations, but from now on, at the start of every presentation, I will share a story with you. I will read it to you, or I will have a video or a link to someone else reading the story. So our story of the week is Hey Little Ant. What I'd like you to do is press play and listen to the story Hey Little Ant. It's a great story to share with kiddos, and each week I'll be giving you a story that you can listen to, and you can begin to brainstorm ideas about how to use books in the classroom. Now, along with the book each week, I will share links to resources to using this book in the classroom. So right here's a Google search, and if you click on that, it'll give you links to ideas of how to use this book in the classroom to get you started if you're stuck. And also, I have a second link this week, and this is a student-created reading of the story, and it's an example of how teachers can integrate technology, reading, and writing into their classroom, so you can check on that as well. After you listen to the story, you're going to move on to slide 3, and this is going to introduce that weekly literature file project that you will complete. So watch the video of the project because each week we'll do it, and then follow the directions on the page of where to find the resources that you need to complete your weekly literature sharing each week. Basically, you'll go back into D2L and print the weekly literature file sheets, and you don't even need to print them. You can just open them and use them as a PDF and write right into them on your computer if you'd like. Either way is fine. And then you'll come up with your own ideas to using Hey Little Ant. When you have your ideas for Hey Little Ant, then watch this video and you'll watch my ideas. Maybe some are the same, maybe they're different, but I like to do both each week. I like you to do your own brainstorm, and then I like you to see my ideas. That way we're collaborating together. We'll read our message of the week. And again, pay close attention to your weekly journal question. It's over here in the different font. You are going to think about the 5 kiddos on this page and read the question. And when you're ready to post your answer, you'll go right here to our Padlet board for the week. There's a definition to read. On this slide, we're going to start talking about sorting children's groups by genre. So click on the dinosaur to hear more about fiction and nonfiction and the difference. And then when you're finished, come back and click on the fiction song, which is a song you can use with kiddos to help remind them what the word fiction means. This is an informational slide. Just go ahead and read it. And then we're going to learn all about genre. So we have fiction and nonfiction. Now we break them down even further. So you're going to read the list on the left of types of genre. Then you're going to watch this video that gives you some background about the different kinds. And when we move on to the next slide, we're going to sort books. Now, this is a little complicated, but I have specific directions for you. You'll follow the directions on the left. Clicking on the link, you'll do the things in number 2, number 3, and number 4. If you have trouble, click on this video and this will show you exactly what to do. So if you're visual, go ahead and click the video from the start. If you can follow directions very clearly and you understand computers, just follow this list. Either one is fine. It'll get you to your destination. After you have your sort, I'd like you to click on this video and I will explain how books go into each of the genres we just sorted. We'll learn about text sets, so watch the video. And then this is a really important slide because it's going to tell you where to find books and book ideas. And This is something coming up. We have a children's book list project that you're going to learn about this week, and it's an ongoing project. It's not due till the end of the semester, but these 3 links you may want to bookmark on your computer, because when you go out there looking for books over the course of the semester, these are great places to start to find books by age level or by theme. Also, on D2L under our week, you'll find the PDFs that go along with finding books. There's some good articles in there for you. This is a video of my book area of my house. It's in my basement, so watch the video and see all about organization of literature. This is directions for doing a read aloud. It may seem simple, but really there's some certain steps we want to take each time we sit down to read a book aloud with a class. And also, click right here and it'll take you to an article for doing read alouds with young children, some more tips of the trade. Moving away from reading books is the art of storytelling, and here are the benefits, here are some tips, and click on each of the pictures and they will take you to links for great storytelling resources for you and your students. This is an introduction of our children's book list project. This will give you all the information you need to get started. Watch the video and visit D2L in the project section for more information. We end with our weekly assignments. There's 5 things you need to do this week. Read over them. We have our journal entry. That's going to be every week. We have, I'd like you to find your favorite picture book from either as an adult or when you were a child. And if you don't have access to the book, you can go online and grab a picture of it in the images. If you do a Google search and click images, you can find an image of your book. And what you're going to do is head over to our Facebook page. You're going to post a picture of the book. Then you are going to write the genre of the book. So is it fiction? Is it nonfiction? And then within that category, is it realistic fiction? Is it historical fiction? Is it poetry? Is it informational nonfiction? What is it? Identify that and share your book, and then you can see everyone's favorite books. Maybe we'll make some connections. Then we have our participation drop box, and this is located in D2L for the week, and you're going to drop your genre sort answers, and that was for that Google Docs activity you did. Also, you have your weekly literature sharing, and that's your Hey Little Ant, I want to see your ideas. So you'll put that in a separate Dropbox labeled Weekly Literature Sharing. And last, you'll head over to Week 2, Part 1 on D2L, and there is an Articles folder. And in that folder, I'd like you to choose one article to read about technology, and that will be for our class on Monday, starting Monday morning. That's all for now. Good luck.